Welcome to this week's Harvest of the Month delivery of root vegetables brought to you by CLA. We run 6 farmers markets across Los Angeles. I'm Krista, and I'd like to share a few interesting facts and a simple recipe about root vegetables, specifically beets. Throughout history, beets have been used in many ways. In ancient times, it was the root that was thought to be the remedy for aches and pains. Beets were also used to dye fabrics. Today we know a lot more about all the health benefits of beets and that every part of this beautiful root vegetable can be eaten, from its leaves to the root. For nutrition, a half a cup of beets provides your bodies with nitrates, which improve blood and oxygen flow, helping to boost your physical and mental energy levels. Half a cup of beet greens provides a good source of potassium to promote healthy blood pressure. Have you heard the expression to eat the rainbow for better health? Today we're going to do just that and have some fun with a colorful slaw that is perfect for barbecue season. If you've never tried beets before, this recipe is the perfect colorful way to try it, along with some more familiar ingredients. Rainbow slaw is made with carrots, beets, and apples, and a citrus dressing. You're going to toss it with a very simple dressing I like to call a 3-2-1 dressing. 3 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice goes in. And I like to use the zest. Zest is a flavor powerhouse and adds an extra zing to this slaw. Try using the zest and the juice when the recipe calls for citrus flavors. In your jar, those are your proportions. Shake it up, and there's your citrus dressing. If you want to give it a little something extra, you'll add a handful of cranberries and a sprinkle of herbs at the very end. Remember, beets were used as a dye. They will turn everything pink, including your fingers. So you may want to cover your workspace with paper towels or something before you start cutting. Everything will be pink. This week's harvest came to you from local California farm Finca Bonita, a family-run farm in the San Bernardino Valley. I hope you've enjoyed this week's fun tips and quick, delicious recipe. I'll see you for next week's harvest delivery. Until next time, enjoy your beets, try to eat the rainbow, and I hope to see you at a farmer's market soon.